Recently, government issued a notification number 3 of 2025. In this notification, government has given a substantial benefit to the units of international financial service centers. Now, the buyers who will be dealing with the units of IFSC as a seller, and now these buyers don't have to deduct TDS of section 194Q when they deal with the units of IFSC. When they buy goods from the units of IFSC, then the buyer are not need to deduct TDS of section 194Q. Section 194Q says that whenever a buyer buys any goods in excess of rupees 50 lakh in a financial year, then there is a need to deduct TDS of 0.5% on the purchase value. This will going to make blockage of the huge working capital of the units of IFSC. Though IFSC are not liable to pay taxes, they are exempt as per section 80LA of the Income Tax Act. But there are few conditions that a seller and a buyer needs to satisfy if they want the exemption from deduction of TDS under section 194Q as per the notification. In this case, as per the notification, the seller needs to submit a statement cum declaration form in form number 1 to the buyer, clearly stating that what are those 10 consecutive assessment years as in which the seller, a unit of IFSC, would be claiming exemption of taxes or claiming deduction as per section 80LA of the Income Tax Act 1961. And on the other side of this, the buyer have to report all the transactions for the payment which the buyer made to the seller, which is a unit of IFSC, and clearly stating and giving details of all such payments on which TDS has not been deducted in the TDS statement that is required to be filed by the buyer of the goods. So this is a major update relating to units of IFSC. This notification will definitely going to help unit of IFSC. This notification will help IFSC in the form that there will be less hassle or no hassle of obtaining refund of section 194Q TDS from the income tax department, as well as it will also going to save blockage of huge working capital of IFSC units because of the blockage of TDS for very long period of time with the income tax department. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Subscribe to the channel and like this video.